Today I am looking at the family bathroom at our client's house in Berkshire. It is a contemporary luxurious bathroom with double Corian basin and again plenty of storage. The space of the bathroom is 1.9 by 2.4 meter. Previous room had a separate shower and a small bath, but we decided to go for a large shower bath with built-in recesses and overhead showers and a double basin instead. Geberit toilet frame with a AquaClean shower toilet, and above the toilet a double wall unit with Corian push-open doors. Below the double basin with integrated towel slots there are two wall-mounted storage units with soft close drawers and downlight. Above the basin is a double mirror cabinet with dimmable LED lights and double-sided mirror doors. In the right hand side there is also a shaver socket. Wall-mounted basin taps on the bespoke double basin unit that has coved upstand, which is easy to keep clean and very durable. Recesses for extra towels and recesses for toiletries and accessories by the shower and bath. The top recess has a sliding panel in acrylic that looks like glass, which can hide away the toiletries to keep it neat and tidy. At the foot end there is a waterproof television, so you can enjoy a long and relaxing bath while watching your favorite program. The bath is filled by the aqua filler at the foot end of the bath, which is a combination of the overflow and the filler, and that is controlled by the two deck-mounted taps that sits in the lower recess at the head end of the bath. There is a good size overhead shower which is concealed in the lower part of the ceiling above the bath, that also have a recess at the back which has an hidden LED downlight and also hides the extractor fan for the bathroom. There is also a hand shower with 3 different spray modes. The bath comes from Better Bath. The shower bath screen is from Majestic Showers. We have a central heated shower rail and underfloor heating on central heating as well. There are products from Geberit, Koiko, Hansgrohe, Axo, Tress, Saloni, Sifian, to mention a few. Please subscribe and leave a comment.